Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open the Ezviz app or website and sign in with your account email and password. Once signed in, go straight to account or profile so you can see subscription status, billing method, and device list. Make sure your payment card or receipt is handy. You may need to confirm the last charge. If you have multiple accounts, verify you're in the correct one. This avoids wasted steps and guarantees you can proceed without interruptions. Once you're in billing or subscriptions, find the active plan tied to your account and tap it to view details. You'll see options like Manage, Change, or Cancel. Choose Cancel and read any displayed terms about refund windows or access end dates. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Some flows require you to select a reason, choose one, and press Confirm or Submit. After that, check for a confirmation email or in-app notice so you know the cancellation finalized and when access ends. Finish by verifying the subscription shows as canceled in the app and that you receive a confirmation email. Save that for records. Make sure billing history reflects any prorated refund or stop of future charges, and note the date access ends. If cancellation didn't process, try logging out and back in, clear the app cache, or retry on a desktop browser. If problems persist, contact Ezviz support with your account details and the confirmation attempt. That usually resolves edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.